If you sell products internationally, you've probably noticed that tax calculations can become complicated very quickly. Different countries have different tax rules, and if Shopify displays the wrong tax amount at checkout, customers may lose trust in your store or abandon their purchases altogether. Fortunately, most international tax issues in Shopify can be fixed by reviewing a few important settings. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to fix Shopify tax showing wrong on international orders, even if you're completely new to the platform. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard and go to Settings. From there, click Taxes and Duties. This is the main area where Shopify manages tax calculations for all regions and countries where you sell products. The first thing you should check is your tax registrations. Shopify only collects taxes automatically in regions where you've added a valid tax registration. Review the countries, states, or provinces listed in your tax settings and make sure you've registered only in locations where you're legally required to collect taxes. Missing or incorrect registrations can result in inaccurate tax calculations. Next, verify your customer's shipping address. Shopify calculates international taxes primarily based on the destination country and address entered during checkout. Even a small mistake, such as an incorrect postal code or country selection, can change the tax amount. Test your checkout using several international addresses to ensure taxes are being calculated correctly. Another important setting involves tax-inclusive and tax-exclusive pricing. Some countries, particularly in Europe and other regions, expect taxes to be included in product prices, while others add taxes during checkout. In the Taxes and Duties section, review whether your store is configured to include or exclude taxes based on customer location. Incorrect settings here often make it appear that Shopify is charging the wrong tax. You should also review your product categories. Shopify uses product categories to determine whether certain items qualify for reduced tax rates or special tax treatment in different countries. Go to Products and open several affected items. Make sure the correct product category has been assigned to each product. If you're selling digital products, food items, books, or medical supplies, remember that these products have unique tax rules depending on the destination country. You may need to create tax overrides or special configurations for these products. Third-party apps can also affect international tax calculations. If you've installed tax automation, accounting, or international selling apps, temporarily disable them and test checkout again. Some apps override Shopify's native tax engine and may create conflicts. Another common issue involves duties and import taxes. If you're using Shopify Markets or international selling features, review your duties and import tax settings carefully. Customers may see additional charges if these settings are configured incorrectly. After reviewing your settings, perform several test checkouts. Use shipping addresses from different countries and compare the taxes displayed with the local tax requirements for those regions. Testing multiple countries helps identify whether the issue affects all international orders or only specific destinations. It's also a good idea to clear your browser cache or test in an incognito window. Occasionally, cached checkout data can display outdated tax information after recent configuration changes. If taxes still appear incorrect after checking all these settings, contact Shopify support or consult a qualified international tax professional. International tax regulations can be complex, and professional guidance may be necessary for certain situations. So, to quickly recap, review your tax registrations, verify customer addresses, check tax-inclusive pricing settings, confirm product categories, review third-party apps, test international checkouts, and examine duties and import tax settings. In most cases, these steps will resolve incorrect tax calculations on international orders. I hope this tutorial helped you fix Shopify tax showing wrong on international orders. If it did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tutorials, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.